I have left the ground behind. On windy whispers I am climbing, past the spruce and spindly pine, where winding waters sing. Mama moose and grizzly bear, with fin and feather they do share that wild country lying there beneath this redbird's wing. Floes of ice and fields of snow, great granite ledges far below. No, I am a climber in my soul, in search of everything. I am moving, flying free, yet oh so small, as I've come to see that shining mountain over me, and beneath this redbird's wing. Roll and tumble, dip and glide, tiny shadow on the mountainside. Here feelings have no place to hide, beneath this redbird's wing. Here feelings have no place to hide, beneath this redbird's wing. Roll and tumble, dip and glide, tiny shadow on the mountainside. Here feelings have no place to hide, beneath this redbird's wing. Here feelings have no place to hide, beneath this redbird's wing. I have left the ground behind. On windy whispers I am climbing, past the spruce and spindly pine, where winding waters sing. Mama moose and grizzly bear, with fin and feather they do share